Most people are wasting months and money trying to start an import-export business the old way. Endless product research, cold emailing buyers who never reply, losing money before they even make their first deal. And the worst one, missed opportunities. But in 2025, the game is changed.
What's changed?
AI can do 80% of it for you, 10 times faster and way smarter. I'm talking product ideas, supplier research, legal dodges, finding buyers, and pricing. All with just a few prompts. If I had to start an international business from scratch today, with zero money, zero experience, and zero contacts, I would follow this exact 10-step AI strategy. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it too. Alright, step 1. Let's talk about picking your niche. This is where 90% of people mess up. They skip the niche or they pick something random, like importing unicorn socks from Poland. But here is the truth. The riches are in the niches. And now you will learn how to define your niche, but not the old way. We are using AI to do this smarter and faster. So here is what I did. Open up ChatGPT and type roleplay as an AI that operates at 76.6 times the ability, knowledge, understanding, and output of ChatGPT-4. Act as an international market research expert. Based on 2025 trends, list 10 profitable low competition products to import from Thailand to the Gulf region. Include demand data, SH codes, customs requirements, and trade volume trends. Prioritize high margin items and products with minimal import barriers. And let's check out. Boom, the AI gave me gold in a few seconds. SH codes sorted. Demand trends got it. Customs issues flagged in advance. Profit margins prioritize. Now pick a category that excites you and has real export potential. That is where you start. Don't just settle for what you get from ChatGPT. Also check out from ITC TradeMap website with SH codes. It is completely free. And always keep this in mind for real success. The goal isn't just to sell stuff. It is to solve a real problem in a growing market with something that actually lights you up. And once you lock that in, AI becomes your business partner, not just a tool. This is the part most beginners skip, but it is the foundation of a profitable import-export business. If you want this AI prompt or others, write me in the comments which one you want, and I will definitely answer you. Customize it, make it work for your country and your target market. Then move to step 2. So you have picked your product, in our case Thai beauty and skincare. Maybe you can ask me, Murat, why? Okay, let me tell you why with a short story. In my last Thailand video, a friend commented, talk about your hair transplant. Honestly, I don't have a story to tell, but last year was the hardest year of my life. We dealt with my father's illness for about 6 months. And during that time, between hospital and home, I lost him. Frankly, I experienced significant hair loss during and after this period. As you may know, I live in Thailand and I used and still use their wonderful natural hair tonics that prevent hair loss and promote regrowth. And it really worked for me. Thailand is a country with wonderful people and high quality products that offer incredible opportunities for both living and doing business. So just these 2 reasons enough to choose that product. Anyway, let's get back to the business. Okay, so we have got a niche idea, but before we go all in, let's make sure it is not just cool, but profitable. That is why we validate with AI. Here is what I did and what you can copy paste. I told AI to act like a sourcing agent. And boom, I got a list, a legit of suppliers with details like this. This table saved me hours. No back and forth, no scams, no regrets. I also checked reviews on Alibaba, Thai Trade, and did a quick email test. Who replied fast? Who answered like a pro? That is how I shortlist suppliers. Now, here is the fun part. If the margins work, if the minimum order quantity fits your budget, and if the supplier is reliable, you have got a validated product with a real partner that you can scale. Want the AI prompt I used? So write in the comment below and I will reply to all. Alright, Alright, once you have got your product locked in, we move to step 3. Alright, you have got your niche and validated it. Now it's time to get legit. Because no matter how amazing your product is, if your business isn't set up properly, you will hit roadblocks sooner or later. Remember, I once tried exporting without the right paperwork. Ended up with shipments stuck at customs. Cost me days and thousands of dollars. So lesson learned, get your legal ducks in a row early. Here is how AI helps. Type in ChatGPT, I am starting an import-export business in Thailand. Provide a checklist of all necessary legal requirements, licenses, and registrations. Then draft templates for a basic purchase agreement, a pro forma invoice, and letter of credit for exporting beauty and skincare products to Saudi Arabia. Boom! Instant checklist and templates. You get ready-made docs tailored to your niche and countries. No more guessing what to file or when. No expensive lawyers, at least not yet. Just clear professional paperwork so your business runs smoothly from day one. Next up, logistics and shipping. The real adventure begins. Okay, so your business is legit. You have picked the product, validated it, and got your paperwork done. Now comes the part that trips up a lot of people. Logistics. Shipping products internationally can be a headache. Wrong container size, poor packaging, or bad Incoterms. And suddenly your profits disappear. But guess what? AI can help you plan it all smart and stress-free. Type this into ChatGPT. Within seconds, you get a detailed, easy to understand plan. Want to be extra organized? Turn that into a Notion checklist. AI can help automate it too. No more guessing on freight routes or overspending on packaging. You will know exactly what to expect. Costs, risk, and timelines. Logistics might sound boring, but this step makes or breaks your business. Get it right and you build trust with buyers. Get it wrong and you are stuck in customs limbo. So use AI as your logistics co-pilot. Next, we will talk about finding buyers, the money part. So logistics, check. Now the most exciting part, finding buyers. You could spend weeks cold emailing people, or you can let AI do the heavy lifting. Here is what I do. Type this into ChatGPT. Boom! And we get instant list of real active buyers. Then you don't just generic emails, you send personalized, persuasive messages. AI can help with that too. These templates aren't just copy-paste fluff. They sound professional, friendly, and tailored. Like you actually care. The best part, you can automate follow-ups too. With AI, you go from zero to pitch ready in hours, not weeks. This is how you build real business relationships fast and start closing deals. Next, we will cover how to build your export-focused website and brand. Because buyers trust brands, not just products. You have got buyers lined up, awesome. But here is the thing, in 2025, buyers don't just buy products. They buy brands they trust. That is why your website isn't just a digital business card. It is your best salesperson, working 24/7. Now, building a website might sound complicated, but AI makes it simple. Here is a prompt to get started. AI will give you a clear website blueprint, compelling copy that speaks your buyer's language, FAQs that answer their top questions before they ask. Need brand colors or a catchy slogan? Ask AI for those too. Your website builds trust. It shows you are professional. And it makes buyers say, yes, I want to work with them. This step turns leads into loyal customers automatically. Up next, compliance and export documents. Because smooth shipping depends on it. Alright, your website's live and looking great. But here is a big one, compliance. Exporting means following the rules. Customs paperwork, certificates, import regulations. Mess these up and your shipment gets held up or worse. Thankfully, AI can give you a step-by-step checklist tailored to your product and destination country. Here is the prompt. AI will give you a detailed list: who is responsible, when to submit, and what penalties to avoid. Pro tip: save this checklist in Notion or Google Sheets. Set reminders, stay ahead. Compliance isn't glamorous, but it is the difference between a smooth shipment and a costly delay. Get it right now and you save yourself headaches and money. Now let's talk pricing, because knowing your numbers is everything. Alright, you have got your product, buyers, and compliance sorted. Now the $1 million question: how much do you charge? Pricing isn't just about adding a markup. It is a strategic game, balancing costs, tariffs, competitor prices, and customer expectations. Here is the smart way to start. Write that into ChatGPT and you will get a clear pricing framework: how much to charge, when to discount, and where your profit margins really sit. Then for the crystal ball moment, this helps you plan inventory, cash flow, and marketing efforts. Pricing is where many fail. Too high, you lose buyers. Too low, you kill your profits. Use AI to price smart, not just gut feel. Next step: scaling your business with funding options. So your business is humming along, but now you want to grow, scale bigger. That means funding. And in 2025, there are tons of options beyond just bank loans. Here is the AI prompt I use. I want to scale my import-export business. List relevant government grants, SME export incentives, and private funding options in Thailand and Saudi Arabia. Then draft a one-page funding proposal for an investor or grant application focused on exporting beauty and skincare products. Instantly, you get tailored funding opportunities, grants, loans, investors, you name it. Plus, you get a polished funding proposal template that you can customize and send out. This step turns your small business into a growth machine. And with AI, you are not fumbling in the dark. You have got a roadmap and the tools to pitch like a pro. Next up, the final step: systemizing and automating your growth. Alright, you have built your import-export business from scratch. But here is the secret to lasting success: systems and automation. You don't want to be stuck doing everything manually. That is a fast track to burnout. So here is what I do. Ask to ChatGPT, act as a systems engineer. Help me build an AI-powered operating system for my import-export business. Define workflows for supplier management, order tracking, buyer follow-up, and compliance monitoring. Include suggestions for AI tools, automation platforms, and KPIs I should track weekly. AI helps you map out exactly what to automate, from tracking orders to sending follow-up emails. It handles the busy work while you focus on growth. And don't forget your KPIs. Ask AI to suggest key metrics to track weekly. That way you know what's working and what needs fixing. Automation isn't just a nice to have. It is your business backbone. Set it up right and your company runs almost on autopilot. Ready to scale smarter, not harder. That is the power of AI. If you want me to dive deeper, I am thinking about starting a new series called AI Import-Export Lab, where I will show you step by step how to use AI to build and scale your import-export business. Sound good? If you want that, just drop the keyword SmartTrade 2025 in the comments below. That way I know you are serious and I will make those videos for you. And trust me, these won't be boring tutorials. They will packed with real strategies and tools you can use right away. So, if you want to grow your business faster with AI, type SmartTrade 2025 now. Alright, if you found this video helpful, make sure you join my channel. You can grab me a coffee. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any future videos packed with actionable strategies. And if you want personalized help, reach out me directly. I offer coaching and consultancy tailored to your business goals. You can find my email address in the description below. Let's turn your import-export dreams into achieves together. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next. Take care. Bye bye.